Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1 16th March 2021 question. Question number 1. The middle term in the expansion of x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 whole n is equal to 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of binomial expansion. So at first the given expansion is given here, that is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 whole n. So split this one as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 plus 2 whole n. So that is equal to, we write x plus 1 by x whole twice n. And now this is the expansion. This expansion become turned this one. So here t r plus 1 middle term, we should calculate the middle term. So therefore t r plus 1 is equal to, we may say 2 to the power 2n c r x to the power 2n minus r into 1 by x whole r. Therefore middle term t n plus 1 is equal to t 2n c n x to the power n 1 by x whole 1 by x whole n. So x to the power n and 1 by x to the power n and x to the power n is cancelled off. So 2n c n. Therefore it become 2n factorial divide n factorial n factorial. So this one is 2n factorial divide n factorial whole square. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our option is 2n divide n factorial. Option 4 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 1. Now moving to question 2. If dy dx is equal to dy dx plus 2y tan x is equal to sin x and y pi by 3 is equal to 0, the maximum value of yx is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of differential equation. At first the given differential equation is dy dx plus 2y tan of x is equal to sin of x. So now simplifying this one, dy dx plus it is y into twice tan of x, just write down for calculation, is equal to sin x. So integrating factor become here e to the power integration 2 tan x dx. So that is equal to e to the power 2 log of sec x. So it become sec square x. Now y sec square x is equal to integration sin x sec square x dx. So that is equal to sec of x plus c. At the point at x is equal to pi by 3, then y is equal to 0. So x for when it is given that y pi by 3 is equal to 0. So when x is equal to pi by 3, y is equal to 0. So this becomes 0. So now left hand side becomes 0 and right hand side is equal to 2 plus c. So that implies c is equal to minus 2. And now therefore y sec square x is equal to sec of x minus 2. So that implies y is equal to cos of x minus 2 cos square x. Now let cos of x is equal to cos of x. Now let cos x is equal to t here. So now y become minus 2t square plus t, as t lies between where? T lies between minus 1 to 1, as cos t lies between, as cos lies between minus 1 to 1, so t lies between minus 1 to 1. Therefore minus 4 of t plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies t is equal to 1 by 4. Now maximum value of yx is what? We should calculate the maximum value of yx. So y maximum is equal to minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 by 8. So I think we reached. It is our required solution, and our option 1 is our correct choice, 1 by 8. So these are the two solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.